Hi, Milton Drivers. Jeff Robinson, Vice President of Maintenance. Today I want to talk to you about our new Birmingham maintenance location we just opened up about a week or two back. So it is up and going. It's open Monday through Friday right now, 7 a.m. I believe until 5:30. There is an inspection bay. It's going to be similar like what we have here in Tulsa. I ask you to go through the inspection bay. Tell the inspectors anything wrong with your tractor or trailer that you know of. They'll create a repair order. You'll need to go back and park your truck and probably separate from your trailer. The inspectors will tell you that. And then go in and check with the guys in the shop. It'll be Brendan or possibly Arthur, depending on who's available at the time. And they'll tell you what you're in line for as far as repairs. Now, we're going to try to do most things in-house like we do here in Tulsa. But we still will probably send some over to Kenworth depending on if it's warranty needs or things like that. So it's still fairly new. We haven't got all the kinks worked out. We don't have all the supplies located there yet like we do in Tulsa or Laredo. Like for instance, if you want an extra set of tarps and things like that, we might be a little bit limited on quantity for a while until we get everything up and going and the right people in place and everything's smooth and running. But we're real excited about it. We think it's going to be a great addition to the Melton maintenance fleet. So please use it when you can. Like I said, they're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 5:30 right now. So schedule a time in there. Check in with John. Check in with Brendan. They'll get you guys fixed up as soon as you can. So if you have any questions or any comments about it, please feel free to call me or send me an email or go through your DM. I'll be happy to answer any questions or any advice from you guys on how to make things run smoother in the maintenance area. So please drive safe and thanks for watching.